Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use some methods such as get names. So basically, I'm going to use my object dot. There is a few methods from file class, and I'm looking for get name. So get name is returning string value and semicolon. But to show you that, I'm gonna try to use a system out println, and it's gonna show me the name. So I can start by saying the name of the file is okay, and then don't forget plus. Now I create, so I use the get name method to get the name of the file that I created. If I run this now, so the file exists, the name of the file is my file text, okay, my file text. I can use also some other methods such as, there is plenty that you can choose from by using dot. So can read, for example, it's return boolean, it's from file class, so I can use this method. Semicolon, it's returning true, right? So if I run this now, and I can and we found that we can read from this file, then we should have this, and it's a true. So run this, and nothing returned because we didn't print it. So I'm gonna say system.out.println open bracket and say and close bracket. All right, now save, run. So it's true. Now, of course, you can use another method such as, let me copy this, copy and paste and take this off. Put dot can read, can write, for example. It's the same. And if we run this, so we will have the file exists, the name of my file, and true. If we change this to 1 and run that again, so the file successfully created, the name is my file 1, true for can read and can write. We can use some other methods such as create new file, delete. We can delete, we can get absolute path. Let's write absolute path. And we have extra parentheses, and we run. So user Alhaj Ali Eclipse 2020 unit 7 my file. There is actually another method called path. I think called path, but it's just gonna return the path of the file from the unit 7. So if I set path or get path, so this one, and run. So it's just get the path from the unit 7, so the path directly, it's my file text, and that's the difference between get absolute path and get path. Of course, you can play around and do, for example, use if statement to show if we can write or if we can read. Get the absolute path. You always can come and say my object dot and look around and find all the methods that is there. If you highlight one of them, I think you can see some description, and as I showed you before, this is what this method returns. So you can use this, for example, my direct, so make a direct, so you create a direction. So that's all for this video. Thank you and bye.